I think Micheál has worked very hard to rebuild the party from where we were in 2011, both at a local and at a national level. I think heading into the next general election, he's a very strong debater. I think there's a reason why Enda Kenny doesn't want to face him, because Micheál is very much on top of his brief. He's a strong communicator. But I also think that it's a team effort as well, that everybody across the party, all the TDs and senators, need to be pulling together and putting forward a coherent and an effective message for the next election.
Is there anybody else in the party you think would make a good leader?
There's no vacancy.
If there was?
Oh, I think we have excellent spokespersons who are doing a really good job. I don't know if anybody wants to be marked out as a future leader. It's like a death sentence, really, to have that tag associated with you. But I think we have a strong team. I know Michael McGrath has legislation coming before the Dáil today on home repossessions and removing the veto that the banks currently have that are forcing people out of their homes. He's done a lot of work on that area. We've Niall Collins has done great work in justice, Derek Cleary in enterprise. I could go on and name all of them.
But you're happy with Micheál?
Yeah.